Let's look at this question number 19 for JAMB Past Question Physics 2018. In the diagram above, this is the diagram. If the atmospheric or the atmosphere pressure is 760 millimeter, the pressure in the chamber G, this is chamber G, is A 660 millimeters, B 830 millimeters, C 690 millimeters, D 860 millimeters. So how do we go about solving this? There is this general formula that whenever we have a tube of this kind with a chamber, that the right way to do our calculation is that the pressure that this distance is making plus this distance will give us the pressure that this other distance is making plus the distance. So with that, we can say that if we are considering this as pressure 1, this height as pressure 1, we have pressure 1 plus the distance as d1. It will give us what this one is making, pressure 2 plus the distance d2. So with that said, the pressure 1 like we are giving here is the atmospheric pressure, which is 760 millimeters plus d1, as we can see here, is 10. And this 10, if we convert it to millimeter, is going to give us 100 millimeters. So we have 100 millimeter here equal to P2. P2 is what we are looking for, plus D2 is 3. If we convert this to millimeter, we have 30. So this 760 plus 100 is going to give us 860 to be equal to P plus 30. So making P the subject, P is equal to 860 minus 30, which will give us 830 millimeters. And that makes B the correct answer to this using this simple formula. So check it out, and that is how you can come around the answer. Thank you.